TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, folks. Steve Rhodes coming to you live from the shores of Delray Beach, Florida. This year, 2 p.m. update. Currently, you've got the Dow trading up 150 points. S&P is up 5. NASDAQ 100 off 41. Russell's up 12. Semis are down 2. Trainings are up 56. New York Stock Exchange up 44. Let's go make heads or tails out of these markets out here by taking a look at our daily cash indice charts. We begin by taking a look at the Dow Jones. What do we know about the Dow? Let's just expand this chart. We know that the Dow has a valid top in the sell in May cycle. That formed last week with that bearish shooting star candle. Also has wave number 7. That's the letter G out here. Price moved back and did what it was supposed to do this week, which was test its breakout level, 33,526.19. Now, if you were going to ask me, which I think you are, Steve, if this is just a counter trend rally and maybe a consolidation market, or maybe there's going to be an A to B equals CD to the downside, where is that resistance level? It was earlier this morning. It was up at that price level of 34,433-ish as the range. That is the oscillator unchanged line. As long as price remains below that, well, then the Dow is subject to this just being a counter trend rally. If price can close above that green line, a whole different message. If you take a look at the S&P 500, it too has a top in place. That's the Rhodes Momentum Indicator top. That is wave number 7. If you're going to ask me again, where's the counter trend rally find resistance? It already hit it earlier this morning. That's in the 4185 level. That is its oscillator unchanged line. Again, if price closes above that, a whole different message. If you take a look at the NDX 100, its oscillator unchanged line is red, not green. So therefore, yesterday, price closed above it. It's not as strong of a bullish message as if that line were green, but when you're above it, it says a further counter trend rally, a further rally, however you go around and determine this, because it does have a valid bottom. So we've got a valid top, wave 7. We've got a valid bottom, it's TD9 count. But if price closes below that oscillator and change line, which right now is priced at, specifically, is priced at 13,440, that would be bearish and suggest that the NDX 100 is getting ready to head lower again. The Russell 2000, well, the Russell 2000 has a Rhodes Momentum Indicator top. It just really led to a sideways consolidation. And if price can close below its oscillator unchanged line, well, that would suggest lower price. Watch that spot volatility index, folks, coming into close. Right now, just sitting on its 50-day exponential moving average. If price can close below that, and that's at 2006, that would actually be short-term bullish for the S&P and the ESP. Thanks so much for being here, folks. Stay tuned for the Power Trading Hour. See you next week.